The dog that has your heart Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this beautiful story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I will go out of there, and the first step that you need to do is search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. So it's this one right here, and then you have to click at viral now from highlights, and then you have to click until you find the desired sticker. So here you will see that I only have viral stickers. So there we have it. From here you just have to click on the add your button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go to the first pin comment where I already put the video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this icon. So from here you just have to go to your uploads, which are in the left bottom corner, and choose a photo with a dog that has your heart. So I will go with this photo right here. You can make your photo bigger or smaller, and you can also make your sticker bigger or smaller. So once you're happy with it, you can click on send to, then click to share to your story, and then click on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.